let's go do some wheelie practice. What's up, guys? Welcome to Motoveto 82. I'm just gonna go mess around. So let's go have a good time. Try not to eat shit either. Hopefully there's no car coming in. All right. I'm gonna do a top speed here. This is a straightaway, and there usually really isn't that many cars here, so there's two coming. But all right, let's do a top speed. Right there is full throttle. Full throttle. Man. Looks like 78. 78 is the top speed. Oh, 79. 79. Come on, 80. Come on, 80. Yeah, it looks like 79 is the top speed, but also keep in mind that I'm 230 pounds and it has a 47 rear or 47 tooth rear sprocket, which stock it comes with a 43 and a 13 on the front. So it is geared up some, so, or geared down. Anyway, so it is gonna lose top end speed with a 47 tooth sprocket. So with with the stock sprocket, the 43, it's going to go a little bit faster on the top end, so keep that in mind. So I'm, going 79 is still not bad, but obviously when you're on the highway, you don't want to go full throttle, all the time. Well, I guess you could with this one, but I couldn't imagine that, that's good on the engine to go long periods of time going full throttle. So yeah, I guess 79 is the top speed. Also keep in mind that the bay, there's, it's pretty much the coast right here. There's Hines Bay right there. So there's also wind coming straight to me. So I was going against the wind. So keep that in mind as well. Man, I'm kind of tempted to just, I would get stuck, but going on the field and just tearing it up. But I don't want to get shot, and I don't want to get all dirty. All right, let's go for a ride. All right, so let's see the handling. I'm going to try to go in between the, between the lines here. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, let's do another top speed run here. Yeah, it looks like 79's it. Come on. 80. It hit 80. 80. '81. All right, so that time it was going with the wind, and it was able to hit 81. Once again, it has a 13 tooth sprocket in the front, which is stock, and the back is a 47 tooth, which is not stock. Stock is 43 in the back, and I weigh 230 pounds, more or less, and that time I was going with the wind. Which isn't, the wind isn't too bad, but there is a, there's always, since we're right here by the water, there's always wind. It's never not windy, I guess you can say. So yeah, anywhere between 70, 78 and 80 is top speed. Which isn't too bad, I guess. So with the 47 tooth sprocket in the back, it's good off-road. You have enough torque to where you could get yourself out of a bind, and you can still go slow enough to where you can control it. And then, as far as the top end, as you can see, you can still ride highway speeds. You're probably not going to be just just passing people up like nothing. It's not not like my 600 where, you know, all you really have to do is flick the throttle a little bit and you'll be, you know, going 100 pretty quickly. So it's nothing like that, but you can still ride off-road without having to worry about you know, getting in people's way and that type of stuff. But I'm okay, you know, with the setup. Once I need to replace the chain and or the sprockets, I'm definitely going to go 14 in the front, and then 49 in the back. Supposedly that's a better mix of on and off road, and at the same time, you know, it doesn't rub the swing arm, because there's some issues. People have had issues to where on this particular model the chain starts to rub on the swing arm, and it starts to I don't know, you know, I think it's made out of aluminum, so it starts to tear into it pretty much, to where I guess it starts to compromise the structural integrity, and obviously you don't want to ride on something that's potentially unsafe. So that's why, you know, doing the 1449 is a good option, because it will you know, get rid of that issue, but at the same time, you know, it's a good mix between on and off-road. So we'll see. You know, the bike only has like maybe almost hitting 3,000 miles, so by the time I need a new chain and sprocket, it's probably going to be a while.
Alright guys, that's it for today. I know this video has been kind of all over the place, but I just wanted to, you know, show y'all what the top speed is, kind of give y'all a little bit of insight on the gearing, you know, with the different sprocket options, and I wanted to get a little bit of wheelie practice in, but as you can see, I fucking suck. Anyways guys, thanks for watching.